Few clouds passing through the region right now and a little bit breezy. That's a cold front that's going to cool things down a little bit for the weekend. But we're talking lower 80s type cool down. Not a big threat. We're kind of holding our breath until these winds die down later this evening at some of our area fires. Never want to see the winds picking up around the region. But your forecast first for tonight, clearing skies. Mild southwest winds still at 5 to 15 miles per hour. 58 degrees for an overnight low. For tomorrow, sunny, beautiful day, a high temperature of 80. Fantastic Saturday. Southwest winds at 5 to 10. Our high today, 86. 83 is our average high. We started the day off at a comfortable 56. No precipitation at the airport. Sunset is at 7:56. Right now it's 85 in Spokane with mostly cloudy skies. Have a fair amount of clouds passing through. Winds out of the west-southwest sustained at 15 miles per hour, but we are experiencing stronger gusts right now. Those will be tapering off later this evening. It is currently 86 and sunny in Coeur d'Alene with southwest winds at 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at our satellite and radar. We do have an easy to pick out cold front. Not a lot of moisture with it, but it does have some clouds, and that is pushing off to the south and east. Behind it, a little bit of a dip in our temperatures, and our winds will calm down a bit. It is parked over us right now. Here's a look at our 24-hour forecast. I have the jet stream on here for you, the upper level winds, as well as the surface features. As we go through the next 24 hours, that front slowly works its way off. We'll be in a nice westerly flow that will keep our temperatures in the lower 80s for the weekend. And then we will start to see some high pressure building in. So we're going to warm up as we get into Monday. Very important forecast for the eclipse, and right now it looks like a slam dunk for clear skies. About the only thing that we can't foresee is the potential for any wildfires and the smoke that those would create. Overnight lows tonight will be down in the 40s, 50s to right around 60 degrees in Spokane Valley, 61 in Lewiston. Our high temperatures tomorrow will be in the 70s and 80s, 80 in Spokane Valley, 79 degrees in Coeur d'Alene, 86 in Lewiston. Like the look of those 70s. Here's a look now at your 7-day forecast. We will be in the lower 80s Saturday. A few clouds passing through in that westerly flow on Sunday. Then the high pressure builds back in for Monday's eclipse. Really can't picture better weather for the eclipse than what is forecast, and no danger that that is going to vary dramatically. Maybe a high cloud or two. We had all those clouds out there now, though, and I was thinking, okay, if the eclipse happened now, it wouldn't be that big of a deal if there was a few clouds. Yeah. But we don't have to have any. We'll just have blue skies and perfect conditions. And
it's just great.
The forecast is the same for Baker City, which is where Caroline Rourke and I are headed tomorrow morning. I thought we were leaving too early, and then I saw the video of the traffic going down into Oregon and thought, okay, I'm glad we're leaving early tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you got a busy schedule. You're not going to have a whole lot of time to get ready, but man, once you hit the road, they're going. That's going to be awesome. Yeah, that's going to be great. Are you all packed and ready?
No.
For the big road trip?
Actually, I'm just taking like 4 KXLY4 polos, so it's not really tough to...
That's easy. Easy enough.
tough to pack. But my smile is permanently affixed. I cannot believe what a great event is coming up, and the weather...
Perfect.
Holy
Love it.
smokes. Could it not be better? That is the subject of tonight's forecast focus because, boy, with bad weather, this eclipse would be a real bummer. We have to wait until 2024, my oldest daughter's 21st birthday, April 8th, for the next one. Here is the eclipse forecast. We are looking at computer model data for Monday, and actually it's for 10:27. My clock rounds to 10 o'clock. And cloud cover should not be an issue at all through the inland northwest. Of course, Caroline Rourke and I are headed to Baker City. That looks clear too. Temperatures will be in the 80s for highs when you're out viewing, should be comfortable. A little bit of a question mark along the coast with that marine layer that takes a little while to burn off in the morning. That's going to be a question, but most of Oregon along the path of totality looks great. Boy, once you get into southeastern Idaho, a lot of people going to my hometown of Idaho Falls. They're expecting 500,000 people, and I know the meteorologists there are panicking a little bit because of the cloud cover that is possible through this stretch right here, and that includes Grand Tetons, where a lot of people are watching the solar eclipse. And boy, as you go along the line of totality, you run into clouds in the Central Plains, showers through the Mississippi River Valley, and along the east coast as the eclipse exits the United States. Rain and clouds too. So we've got a pretty good view here, especially compared to other places. What will be interesting is how many of the more hardcore eclipse viewers are going to change their plans and head in our direction, particularly those that are a drive away. Meanwhile, no one could really anticipate. We all knew it was going to be big, but as big as it is sort of amazing. We are clear across the western United States. We're finding showers and thunderstorms along the cold front that moved through our region earlier this week through the Great Lakes and into the Mississippi River Valley. High temperatures across the nation today, lots of 90s. Salt Lake City, Boise in the 90s, 91 in Oklahoma City, and in Washington, D.C. it was 83 in New York City, 73 in Seattle today. Right now, it is mostly cloudy and 83 in Spokane. Still a bit breezy. Those winds will be dying down. A calmer day tomorrow, 84 in Coeur d'Alene. The reason for those clouds is this dry cold front making its way through the region that's picking up our winds. Those clouds will be clearing, however, as we get into the overnight. Expect a sunny day tomorrow and a little bit cooler thanks to that front. 80 tomorrow, 81 on Sunday with partly cloudy skies, clearing out for the eclipse on Monday. A high temperature of 87. Looks like we may have some more 90-degree days in our forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then, boy, just fantastic summer weather. Where are you watching the eclipse?
Well, on the Spokane River, like on the water.
That
in a pontoon.
Oh.
Yeah, a friend of mine's having like a party.
That sounds
party
fun.
Pontoon watching,
that
but yeah. So everyone's kind of like, yeah, where are you going to be? Where are you going to watch it? That's kind of the question, isn't it?
And you'll probably remember.
Oh, I think so too.
I remember where I was in 1979.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really a lot of fun. So very excited for you guys.
Thank you.
For the KXLY4 crew.